Okay, so for the first step, go to the Windows Start icon. After that, make sure to restart your computer. When your computer is starting, make sure to press on your keyboard the specific key to open your BIOS. This key will depend on your system manufacturer, so make sure to choose the right key for your system. After you did successfully open BIOS, make sure to go to the advanced mode, select settings from the left pane, click on advanced. After that, choose Windows OS configuration from the list. Next, click on secure boot. After that, make sure to set secure boot to disabled and change the secure boot mode to custom. After the system mode changes to user, set secure boot mode to standard again. Next, select secure boot and choose enabled from the options. Once you did all of that, make sure to save the changes, exit the BIOS, and then boot Windows. Press the Windows key plus S to open search. After that, type system information in the text field. Make sure to click on the relevant result. In the summary tab, ensure that the secure boot state reads on. Now for the method number 2, press in the Windows key plus R to open run. After that, type tpm.msc in the text field and press enter. Make sure to check the status list. When enabled, the TPM is ready to use. When disabled, compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. So if disabled, access the PC's BIOS. In the BIOS, navigate to advanced settings and select security. After that, make sure to click on trusted computing. Ensure to choose security device support and select enable from the options. Once you did that, make sure to save the changes and exit the BIOS. Okay, so for the method number 3, go to the Windows search bar, search for services. Once this pop up, select any one you want. After that, select V on your keyboard, look for VGC and then double click. In the startup type, make sure to switch it from manual to automatic and make sure to select start to run the service. After that, select apply and OK. Now for the method number 4, make sure to access the BIOS, go to settings. After that, click on advanced, select Windows OS configuration, choose the BIOS CSM/UEFI mode entry. From the list of the options, select UEFI, save the changes. After that, make sure to exit the BIOS. Now for the last method, right click on the Valorant launcher. After that, select properties, go to the compatibility tab. After that, make sure to check the box for run this program in compatibility mode 4. Once you did that, select Windows 8 from the drop down menu, click on apply. After that, click on OK to save the changes. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe.